RETROCENGO here. Today I got something special, something that I have never seen before, never for sale, or I don't know anything about it. I just got it, and I really want to share this one with you guys. So, 2 seconds. All right, we got some clothes. What the hell? Damn. Yo. Okay, first of all, damn, it's all clothes. Ew. Okay, never seen nothing like this before. Okay, some Commodore 64 stuff. First of all, I got these 3 Commodore 64s. Actually, a trade. I gave Amiga 1200 with some stuff inside and all that. You can see I got some discs and some cassette games and yeah. All right, but this box I bought it for 2 reasons. The first one is my favorite game when I was a kid. It was Crackout. It was this game was like what's it called, Arkanoid on the Amiga. Instead of being down on the screen here, you can stay on the right or the left side, and you control this bat up and down, and you shoot the ball to destroy all the thingies, and you could have power-ups and all that. I used to love this game. I love the music, and yeah, there's a cassette inside, and I don't collect Commodore 64 games, but man, this one I used so many times on. So that's the main first reason. The other one, oh, we got Arkanoid also. But the other reason will come here. What's this? We got a turbo tape. Alright, 2 seconds, guys. You have to see this because I have never seen it before. Oh, we got a cartridge. Guldkorn Express. Oh, that's a Danish game, actually. Very popular. Alright. Hjemmecomputer cassette. Okay, home computer cassette. Oh, it's just you. Oh. Guys, that's a nice box. I mean, wow. Advanced Dungeons and Dragons. Let me see if it's cassette tape or disc. Nah, I didn't see these on. Oh damn. Cassette or disc? Come on. Oh, discs. Yes. Look at this copy protection thingies we had back then. Oh, it's a lot of discs, guys. Oh, that's nice. I'm gonna try that one out. All right. What more? We got At the Dark. We got a game I don't know anything about. Project X. No, I don't know. I don't think it's the same as on the Amiga. No, it's not. All right. Got Gremlins 2, the new patch. All right. This close stuff is just so ew. But oh, another. I love these Advanced Dungeons and Dragons. Oh, damn. It looks nice. Let's see if it's tape or discs again. I hope it's discs. Yes. Nice. Got a big poster or what? That's awesome. I like that. Oh, we can have something in one. Oh damn. So We got 21 games in one here. I think sports games. I don't know. Don't know. These old towels. Oh my god, this is just so... I don't want no dust in the house. What the... We got a grenade, guys. So... This is a lousy joystick. Okay, we got a grenade joystick with... Yeah, it's the Commodore 64 plug, Amiga plug. Alright, I don't know who made it. Terminator. Okay. Oh, this is so lovely when you get all those games in these awesome disc boxes. So we have a Commodore 64 user manual. We got the fourth dimension. There's a poster inside. 4 great games. Nice. Which games? No one that I know anything about. Alright. We got a cassette tape player here. Nice. Turbo recorder. We are coming to the main reason now. Wait guys, wait. We're just about there. This is just so... Ew. Oh, no dust, please no dust. Sorry guys. As you can see, this video has not been... Oh, there is it. Okay, we just got a PSU here. But the main reason is just to the left. But wait, let's see what's more. Oh, we got a C model here. Damn. This one is in a really nice condition. This is before I cleaned it, guys. Nice. Okay. More towels. This is the PSU here. Okay, so as you have guessed, this is why I bought this Commodore 64, because I have never seen a drive like this and I have no idea what it's called. So the seller told me that back then when he bought this, this drive should be oh, everything is chipped off. This drive should be much more faster than the normal Commodore 64 drive, the 1541. This one should load faster, but I don't know what it's called, guys, but I have to I hope it works, because he said that he packed all this back in 1991 and not used it ever since. So I hope it works, but this is this is not a drive I have seen before, and I have to test it and find out what's it called. And DEC, I don't know. But look, it's so small compared to the 1541. Really compact, in a metal casing, metal box, with the external PSU. So I have to check it out, guys. It looks, I have never seen it before, so he was also keen on having this one on YouTube, because he said this is a very special drive and a review would be great. And this wasn't cheap, but when it's something special I don't have, I can review, then I want to pay something extra, no problem at all. So I just want to show you this, guys. I will make a future review. I just hope it works. So until next time, thank you for watching. Please do subscribe, share my videos, and give this drive a thumbs up. Bye!